Okay, here's part 2 on our fuel hose, which I put the Gates hose in. There's a fuel injection hose. Thought it was stiffer than the regular hose, but we can see it can't shut the gas off. So we're gonna take this out. I even tried a longer piece, but I just can't get it to stop kinking. So I got some of this. It's another fuel injection hose. It was for my neighbor gave it to me for he used it on a Holly Sniper fuel system. So it's a braided hose. It's got metal in it. It seems to me like it'll bend really good. So we're gonna put a piece of this on there and we'll try that out. We would have thought that the name brand hose would have been good, but I guess Gates isn't good like it used to be. Okay, let's try this. Look for a fuel pump that maybe had a line come out at a different angle, but the line that come off, it was molded in a U. I don't know, I haven't been able to find any fuel line itself. Actually, this is still molded in a U. This here's the original hose I took off. It's hard as a rock, and it was kind of soft and had gas in it, but I kept smelling gas. So we don't need this to be much longer than that anyhow. So what we'll do, we'll just measure out a piece here. Then we'll put some tape around it and then cut it. I got these smooth clamps. I'll show you right here in just a second. And just go a little bit longer than what that is. And we'll just go a little bit longer. We'll go back to right there. Let's see, I'm going to wrap some tape around this so we keep the braid from fraying out when we cut it. I think he got this hose off of Amazon. It's supposed to be like a 700-pound burst strength or something. Let's take this. Harder to cut than what I thought it was going to be. ain't very good. I got another pair of cutters. Now these was for plastic and rubbers, but this has got that steel braid in it, and I think that's probably what the problem is. That there don't do no better. No better, no better. Yeah, they probably make a special cutter to do this, but come on, come on. That wire in there was the toughest part. I'll get a different cutter if I do use this stuff again. Here's the clamps we're going to put on there. Good that is, but let's just go ahead and I'll try it. Not so sure this line might have been, this might have been 5/16. I thought it was 3/8, but got that on not that much. Another clamp here. Drop this clamp on this end. So I get this wiggled on the pump. The pumps. Yeah, I think that this line must have been 5/16. Maybe not. Flip that clamp the other way. Should have flipped it the other way. Yeah, this hose is made for the AN fittings, high pressure. That's good for oil, antifreeze, fuel, just about everything. Still needs a little bit tighter. There's a little ratchet. Ooh. Sharp. Okay. I can feel we're past the bulge on the end of the hose, on the end of the steel line. Feels good. Like I had to go back and back inside that frame rail right there a little bit. So man, it's not kinked. It's not kinked at all here now. See, it looks good. So we're gonna try that. Okay, now let's start it up. We'll check it there. Looks like everything's ready. Good down there. I don't see anything leaking. Running okay. So I'll see you on the next one.